Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all having a great day. Alright guys, so in this video, I want to show you my profits that I've made on my single Radeon VII rig. Now, I made a video about a month ago saying that I would be recording the profitability on my Radeon VII until I ROI. So this is just an update video. And here is the rig right now. I am team viewered into the machine because it is not in my same network right now in the same location where I live. It's at my second location. So as you can see, it's mining Ethereum Classic at the moment at around 88. But as I turn off TeamViewer, when I stop remoting into it, the hash rate will jump back up to 89 or 90 mega hash. So take a look at that. It's mining Ethereum Classic on ethermine.org. And let's see here, the temperatures. Maybe you guys want to know. It's 56 degrees Celsius at the regular average temperature, and then the junction temperature on the card is at 74 degrees Celsius. So as you guys seen in my previous Radeon 7 video, I have two Noctua fans pointing at it right now, and then I have the Radeon 7 at 100% fan speed. And then you can see at the bottom right, I'm mining Varus coin on the CPU. That's just separate. I'm not calculating the profitability or the profits for the CPU with the Radeon 7. So just the Radeon 7 itself. So in case you guys are wondering what that bottom right command prompt is, mining Varus coin, which I will make a video about that later on. I think Varus coin is a up and coming pretty cool coin. So anyways, you can see here in Task Manager, the GPU 0 is the AMD Radeon 7, and it is mining Ethereum Classic. As you can tell, the dedicated GPU memory is at 3.2 gigabytes out of 16 gigabytes. Just looking at that makes me feel like, man, this card is not being utilized to its fullest potential. But it's just because the DAG file on etc is at just above 3 gigabytes. So, and a little bit is shared with the Windows. So that's it, guys. That's all I want to show you about this card. So now let's go over to the profits. Okay, so here's the Google Sheet that I've been keeping up with all the profits. I started to do it daily on April 1st to April 7th, and then after April 7th, I started to combine 7 days, and then the 21st, April 21st to the 30th, I just combined those last 9 days, 8 days left. So you guys can see that here, how much I've mined in terms of Ethereum Classic, and you can see in the beginning around April 3rd to April 7th, I was mining CLO, which is Callisto. Now, I thought Callisto was a cool coin, and you could do some staking, which I'm going to show you guys on my phone in just a second. So I'll just explain the sheet real quick here. I bought the card, including tax, 781.26 USD on March 23rd, but I started calculating the profits starting on April 1st. And then you guys can see the coin and day and price. So this is the day of. This is the price of the day at the time. And then the amount of coin mined, depending on which one, CLO or ETC at the time. Coin total, it'll just add up depending how much coins there are. The coin mined worth the day of. And then the of how much coin I've mined to the price. And then the hash rate of the card, which is the ETH hash. Wattage of the system, and the wattage price, and then you can see the wattage price. I've added all the levy and taxes and crisis fund, all that stuff, plus tax. And then the profits, which are the mined coin minus the wattage, so you can see that there. And then I have the original price of the card plus the electrical used. So you can see here that the price has gradually gone up because depending if I've sold off these profits or not, which I haven't, I have them all mining to a Koinomi wallet. So let's go over to the Koinomi wallet right now. Okay, so here's my old iPhone with the Coinomi wallet, and as you can see, the total price of all the coins that I've mined on the Radeon VII is $31.27. And you can see Callisto, we're going to go into it, and you'll see how much I've mined so far, and the cold staking option. So the cold staking option, I've already put 1,000 CLO towards it, so it's locked until May 3rd, so I won't be able to claim, I believe, 20% of the CLO back on May 3rd, so I should get about 1,200 CLO back at the time. $2.67 currently. And yeah, and there's the Ethereum Classic. I have mined about 5.19 on there, but a total as of the end of 4 p.m. on April 30th, 5.3, which the little bit is on ethermine.org until I can get the full 1 Ethereum, and then it pays out into my Coinomi wallet. So yeah, that's it, guys. Alright guys, so for the rest of the video, I just want to talk about some different scenarios where I could have sold the coin the day of, or just hodl and see how much, or see which way is worth it right now in terms of, getting the money back for my card here. So let's take a look. So coin mined worth. So this is the day of. So let's add that all up together here. So we're gonna go sum, shift or highlight these columns, and you can see here $38.19 all together. That's the day of. So that's the price of the coin, and you can see it fluctuates depending when I took the price on that day. And then wattage price, we are going to collect all those together, $15.60. So from April 1st to April 30th, I've used about $15.60 USD worth of electricity. And then the profits, which are the mined coin versus the wattage price. So we're going to sum all those together. Oh. And there we go, 22.59. So 15.60 plus, plus 22.59 would equal 38.19. And you guys can see that's how much, if I sold every day, if I sold the coins every day, I would have made $22.59 for the month of April. That sounds kind of sad that I only made about $22.59. But I didn't sell any coins yet. I haven't sold anything. I still have my 1,356 CLO and 5.3 Ethereum Classic for the month of April. So now another scenario, guys. Now if I held the coins, which I did, and you can see my whole Coinomi wallet currently with the cold staking CLO, and the total worth of the wallet right now is $33.94. And now if we minus that out, let's see here. Let's get a calculator, shall we? We go 33.94 minus 15.60 for the wattage. So if we, 1560 for the watts, we would make about 18.334 of money right now. So I'm gonna make this red so you guys can see the difference. So this is the wattage, this is the Coinomi wallet, and if I were to sell everything now, I would make $18.34. So of course, we cannot tell the market when it goes crazy up and down all the time. But as you guys can see here, if I sold by day, if I sold daily, if I sold my coins into fiat every day after how much I've mined, I'm sure after fees and a little bit more, I would have made around $21 in profit for my card out of the month of April. But as you guys can see, I'm hodling all the coins, and I've lowered the profitability at $18.34 roughly. So, but I don't care about this at all. I don't care about the profitability right now, because I'm just gonna, I'm just going to hodl all of the coins until I get enough to get this amount back, $781.26. Well, actually, I'm going to be following this price here, the original price plus electrical used. So this price will continue to go up every day. I'll be following this sheet pretty closely, guys. I think for the next month, I'm planning on mining XMR. I'm going to put this Radeon 7 on XMR, strictly on Monero, for the next month of May. So I'm going to start from, May 1st. Well, from 4 o'clock on, May 1st, mine XMR all the way till the end of May. And we'll see how much XMR Monero this Radeon 7 has mined, and we'll take a look at the profits then. I'll make another video and whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about, and let me know what you think. And if I'm mining the wrong coin, I probably am, but I'm just doing it for some content for you guys. But let me know what you think, guys. I appreciate all of you who watch me day in and day out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash that like button, and peace out.